Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by joining the team's meeting as the organizer or a permitted presenter. This is essential so recording is allowed. Once joined, check your mic and camera quickly to avoid redoing audio later. Make sure cloud recording is enabled in your tenant or that you have local recording permissions. If not, ask the organizer now. Click the More Actions menu and select Start Recording. This starts capturing audio, video, and shared screens. You'll see a recording indicator, so you know it's live. Once the recording is running, decide what to capture. Share a specific window to reduce distractions or the whole screen to include multiple apps. Make sure you mute participants who aren't speaking to keep audio clean and use the meeting chat for side details so they aren't read aloud. If you need to highlight a presenter or content, use Spotlight or Presenter mode. This makes the recording clearer for viewers. Finally, monitor the recording indicator and participant behavior to maintain quality throughout. To finish, click More Actions and choose Stop Recording, then end the meeting when ready. After the meeting, Teams processes the file, give it a few minutes, and then find the saved recording in the meeting chat or the organizer's OneDrive/SharePoint folder. If you can't find the file, make sure processing completed and check tenant retention policies or recording settings in the Admin Center. If audio is missing, verify device permissions and retry a short test recording before your next session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.